Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's lecture. Before going to start a lecture, I will give you some instructions. These are the instructions. First, you will take out your pencil and notebook. After that, write important points in your notebook. In the last, pause video when I will tell you to pause it. I hope instructions are clear to you. This is your block 3. This is your block 3, and what is the name of the block? Compare and contrast essay. Compare and contrast essay. This is your part 1 of this block. Now we will discuss agenda. What is agenda? Agenda means what we are going to do in this lecture. Now first I will show you pictures. After that I will ask question, then discuss aim. After aim, we will do activity. After activity, I will ask activity based questions. In the last, we will discuss keywords. I hope agenda is clear to you. Next, look at these pictures carefully. This is your first picture, second picture, and third picture. This is your fourth picture and this is your fifth picture. Look at these pictures one by one and give me the answer of this question. Which story does this picture remind you of? Which story does this picture remind you of? Pause your video and write down your response in your notebook. First, you will look this picture and write down which picture, which story this picture remind you of. Which story does this picture remind you of? Which story does this picture remind you of? Which story this picture remind you of, and which story this picture remind you of? Write down your response in your notebook. Pause your video and write down the response. Now you have done. Now we will discuss answer of this question. Answer. Answer. These pictures, all these pictures helped us to recall the two stories, the golden goose and the torch. These pictures helped us to recall the two stories, the golden goose and the torch. It is clear to you? Next, we will discuss aim. 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 In this lesson, we will compare two stories using a Venn diagram. In this lesson, we will to compare two stories using a Venn diagram. We have to write down the similarities and differences for comparison. Similarities and differences. Aim is clear to you? In this lesson, we will compare two stories using a Venn diagram. I hope aim is clear to you. Next, we will start our activity. Before going to start our activity, I will give you some instructions. First, you have to draw a Venn diagram in your notebook. First, you have to draw a Venn diagram in your notebook. After that, write down similarities and differences between the golden goose and the torch. You have to write down the similarities and difference between two stories, the golden goose and the torch. Pause your video. Next, now you have to draw a Venn diagram like this. Draw two circles and overlap like the circles. Now draw it. I hope you have done. Now you have to write down the similarities and differences. You have to write down the differences in differences in the outside parts of the circles here and here, and you have to write down the similarities in this space where the two circles overlap. You have to write down. It is clear? Pause your video and write down your responses. Write down your responses. I hope you have done. Next, we will discuss the similarities first. Similarities between the two stories, the golden goose and the torch. First, both the poor man become greedy. Both stories teach us a lesson. Both the kind characters. Who are the kind characters? Scientist and the goose. Both the kind characters, scientist and the goose, lost their things of value forever. I hope similarities are clear to you. After that, we will discuss differences. The torch takes place in city. The torch takes place in a city. The golden goose happens in a village. In the torch, a torch that turns things into gold. In the golden goose, the goose golden feathers. In the torch, a torch turns the things into gold. In this story, goose golden feathers are there. I hope differences are clear to you. After that, I will ask a question, and this is my question. What is the moral of the stories? What is the moral of the two stories? First is the golden goose and second one is the torch. You have to write down your own answer in your notebook. In the last, we will discuss some keywords. These are the keywords. This is one, Venn diagram. After that, second one is similarities. Third one is differences. Repeat after me. Venn diagram, similarities, differences. Thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully.